Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off location in Life360 app so you can take more control over your privacy. Now let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Life360 app on your phone. This is the app where you track and share your location with your circle. Make sure it's updated for the best experience. Step 2. Make sure you are logged into your account. You need to be logged in to access your settings and make changes to your location preferences. Step 3. Tap the gear icon at the top left corner to open Settings. This icon takes you into the app's main settings menu where you can manage various features. Step 4. Select the location sharing option from the menu. This section lets you control whether or not your real-time location is visible to others in your circle. Step 5. In the Your Location Sharing section, tap the toggle icon on the right to turn off location sharing. Once the toggle is off, your location will no longer be shared with anyone in the circle, giving you more privacy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tech tips.